Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to Jay and Joy channel.
Welcome.
In today's video, please join us na mag-moving out. Susunduin namin si Dane and then at the same time, mag-moving out siya sa accommodation. And sad to say, until now, wala pa rin siyang lilipatan sa September. We're still looking.
Sana soon.
Sana soon meron na.
Ito, tapos na kami maglinis ng room. Tapos yung kitchen, parang slightly lang. Kasi andito pa yung dalawang kasama ni Dane, di ba, honey?
Nag-picture kami and nag-video para may proof kami na iniwan namin ng maayos yung room to avoid issue pag nag-check na yung agency. Namimiss
na namin yung room.
Oo nga, namimiss na yung room.
Although isang taon lang naman si Dane dito, pero to sa area to sa mga row ng houses, 2 years siya.
Pauwi na kami, pero dadaan muna kami sa Joe's Tea para bumili ng bubble
panghimagas.
Oo.
What I'll do is essentially guys and like I'll melt the ice a bit and then so I'll turn the fridge off for a bit. Melt the ice and then I'll put the on the lowest.